morning, students. Today we'll discuss exercise number 3 for 7th class students. So, in exercise 3, first question is subtract 2 from 7 using number line. How to do subtraction? By using number line. Actually, subtract 2 from 7, how we should write? From after whatever number is there, that should be first, and from before whatever number is there, its opposite. Means if it is plus 2, you should write minus 2. If it is minus 2, you have to write it's a negation. So subtract 2 from 7 means actually the answer is 7 minus 2. Okay, subtract 2 from 7. So you have to subtract 2 from 7 means 7 minus 2. This is 7 minus 2, how you have to do it? As I said that plus means addition means you have to go right side, subtraction means you have to come left side. First integer is what here? 7. So from 0 onwards 7 means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From 0 to 7 you got it. Okay. Now this 2 is having which integer, means which symbol? Minus. So since it is minus, you should come left side. So here 1, 2. If you came right side, it is positive. If you came left side, it is negative. So arrow mark is there at 5 or not? Means the answer is 5. It is 7 minus 2. Like this, one more question. 8 minus of minus 7. 8 minus of minus 7. So here, question is 8 minus of minus 7. This in written form, how you have to write it? That is subtract minus 7 from 8. So they may ask like this or they may ask like this. Subtract minus 7 from 8. Okay, what you have to do is, from after whatever is there, you have to write as it is. Whatever number is there, its opposite symbol. 7 is having which symbol here? Minus. For minus, opposite symbol is what here? Plus. So by seeing this, how we can write 8 plus 7, you can write it directly. 8 plus 7. So some teachers will say minus into minus plus, and that also it is same. So 8 plus 7, how we have to do it? So 8 means again here like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 7. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 like this. So up to here 8 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What answer you got here? 15. This is one method. Another method we'll see it. Another method, how you have to do it. Okay. Small problem I'll say. Subtract 2 from 5. Subtract 2 from 5. What you have to understand is, take number line. Okay, subtract 2 from 5 is nothing but, for 2, how much you have to add to get 5. Subtract 2 from 5 is nothing but For 2, how much you have to add to get 5? Means start from 2. It is 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer here? Don't write these numbers. Count here to here 1, here to here 2, here to here 3. The answer is 3. One more example I will say to you by using number line. This is also by using number line only. Okay. So one more example is subtract 7 from 3. Subtract 7 from 3 is there. Okay, what I said here? Subtract 7 from 3 is nothing but 7. For 7, how much you have to add to get 3? For 7, how much you have to add to get 3? For this number line, again here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, something is there. So 7 is there already. To get 3, you should come left side or right side. You should go to left side only. 3 is the left side. Means here you have to do subtraction here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is nothing but you came left side. So it is minus 4. Minus 1, minus, minus. So all are minus 1 like this. 4 are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4 you came backwards like this. Okay. So what is the answer? Subtract 7 from 3 is nothing but in this way 3 minus 7 minus 4. You can write directly like this. In this way you should do like this. Okay. Now same problem like this, how you have to do, we'll see it. Subtract minus 7 from 8. Subtract minus 7 from 8. See here minus 7. Where is minus 7? See it. On number line represent minus 7 first. So it is minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. So minus 7 is here or not? So by seeing this, what I said, first number minus 7 with which you have to add to get 8. For minus 7 with which you have to add to get 8. Means what you have to do? Draw number line. First digit minus 7. Start from here and count. 8 is there, right side only or not? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 8 you got it here. So now count. It is plus like this only. All are plus only. You went right side or not? Right side means plus. How many is there here? 15. So for minus 7, if you add 15, you are getting 8. Yes or no? So subtract minus 7 from 8, answer is also 15 only. Here we are not seeing down numbers. Minus 7 you kept it, you have to get 8. So up from minus 7 to 8, how many you are adding, you are writing that number. Okay. So in any method you can do it. Now one more sum. Subtract minus 8 from 5. Subtract minus 8 from 5 using number line. Okay. So again number line only. Again number line only. So what is first number? Minus 8. So where is minus 8 seat here? Minus 8 is there here. What you have to get it? 5 you should get it. Means up to 5 here. In between from minus 8 to 5, how many are there seat ones? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the answer is 13. This some teachers how they will say subtract means minus. Okay. Subtract minus 8 from 5. From after whatever number is there, write first. Subtract means minus symbol. What is that number? Minus 8. Minus minus you should not write, so you have to write in the brackets. 5 minus into minus is plus 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. So some teachers will say like this. Both are minus means keep plus, take 5, add 8 and you will get 13. Some teachers will say. Methods will be different, but the answer will be same. Okay. Now remaining. How we have to do? First problem is completed. Next in the second problem. In exercise 3 only second problem. How we should do, we'll see it. Computer 17 minus of minus 14. Compute 17 minus of minus 14. So here you have to learn same symbols. If you multiply, the answer will be positive. Different symbols, if you multiply, the answer is negative. Same symbols, addition. Different symbols, subtraction. Same symbols, addition. Different symbols, subtraction. So here, these two, if you remember, you will come to know about it. Okay. So how means again same. So same symbols if you multiply, plus will come. Different symbols if you multiply, you will get a minus. Plus minus. Same symbols multiply means plus. Different symbols multiply means minus. Now minus into minus. Same symbols or different symbols? Same symbols. So 17 plus 14. So how to add 17 plus 4? First units places 7, 4, 11. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3, 31. Okay. Normal addition you can do it. 13 minus of minus 8. 13 minus of minus 8. So here 13 same. Minus, this is into. Half means into. Minus into minus. Plus 8. 13 plus 8 is how much here? 21. So remaining you can do like this. If any question, that is 80 minus of minus 50. Again 80 minus of minus 50 is plus 50. 80 plus 50 units places. First add 0 plus 0 is 0. Tens places 5 plus 8 13. The answer is 130. Now remaining you can do like this. 25 minus 33. 25 minus 33. See, if you ask for a second class or third class student, subtract 4 from 2. 4 from 2. They won't do it. We can't do, they'll say. But being your 7th class students, we can do it. 25 minus 33 is nothing but you have 25 rupees. In your pocket you have 25 rupees. Minus 33, you should give 33 rupees to your class teacher. Okay, your maths teacher. You have to give 33 rupees to maths teacher. In your pocket you have 25 rupees. Okay, what you will do? you will give 25 rupees to the teacher. Means their difference 33 minus 25. 13 minus 5 is 8. It is only 8. That's it. So what sir will say? Sir will take 25 rupees and he will say that tomorrow while you are coming bring 8 rupees. Means still you have to give 8 rupees to the teacher. So minus 8 will come. What you have to do is, if 1 plus 1 minus is there, bigger number is having which symbol, in answer also you will get same symbol and do subtraction from greater number to smaller number. So 3 minus 8 is there. 3 is bigger or 8 is bigger? 8 is bigger, obviously. Bigger number is having which symbol? Minus. So in answer you will get minus only. Then from bigger number subtract smaller number. From 8 subtract 3. How much you will get it? 5. This is the problem which sir should explain that 3 minus 8 means in your pocket 3 rupees is there. You should give 8 rupees to the teacher or friend. Then that 3 rupees that friend or teacher will take it and still you have to give 5 rupees to them. So it is minus 5. If 5 rupees is there in your pocket, it is plus 5. 5 rupees you have to give. So it is minus 5. Okay, the last problem in exercise number 3 is express. I'll write the question here. Express minus 6 as the sum of negative integer and a whole number. Express minus 6 as the sum of negative integer and a whole number. See, express minus 6 means answer should come as minus 6 only. And here two numbers should be there. One is negative integer and the other is whole number. Okay. What is the first whole number? 0. For 0, how much you have to add to get minus 6? Means it is minus 6 only. Next, what is the second whole number? 1. To get minus 6, 1 plus, answer is minus 6 only. 1 should be added to which number to get minus 6 means here minus 7. Minus 7 plus 1. 1 is having plus, 7 is having minus. Different symbols. Subtraction only. So, big number is having minus symbol and answer minus will come. From 7 subtract 1, you are getting 6. So, minus 7 plus 1 is 6. So, same like that, how many we can write? We will see it here. 1 after second whole number is 2. Here it is increasing, minus 8. It is minus 6 only. And again here minus 9 plus 3. How much you are getting? Minus 6. How many you can write like this? We can write infinity. Infinite whole numbers you can write. 4 minus 10. 5 minus 11. Like that you can go on write. Don't say only 2, 3 and don't write that only. You can write your own answers. Okay. In next class we will meet you for next exercise.